What is good, y'all boys? Today we back with another video, and it's kind of been a while, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's been a solid 7 months since I recorded a video. Actually 7 months exactly. So in that 7 months we've done so much shit to this thing. I'm just kidding, we really haven't done that much, but the car looks so much more different, I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, let's just get over there and start talking about it. So as you guys can see, we changed the whole look of the car. We got new wheels, new suspension, and we changed a little bit in the front end. The wheels that we went with were the Conce tandems. They are 18 by 8.5 with a 22 millimeter offset, and they are wrapped in Nitto NT55 G2 tires. And honestly, it changed the entire driving feel of the car. This thing takes corners like there's no tomorrow, and overall the car just handles so much better. For suspension, we absolutely dumped this thing, and when I mean dumped, we dumped it. In the rear, we're sitting almost fender to lip, and we are maxed out on BC coilovers, the regular ones, and the car just handles so much better. Overall, it's a lot stiffer. With the coilovers, the car handles so much better around corners. It doesn't shake at high speeds, and we were initially on H&R lowering springs with stock struts, and stock struts blew. They got their back blown out.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Pause. So we actually did some performance stuff to the car too. As you guys can see, we have a stepped BMS front mount intercooler to get those intake air temperatures down. I got it on Marketplace for $200. So I got this thing for a steal. I'm pretty sure that it's rated for 1,000 wheel horsepower, but this car is not going to reach anywhere close to 1,000 wheel horsepower. So I basically just have a fat intercooler just to say I have it. And now we're just going to take a look under the hood to see what else we did under here. It's stock, officer. It's stock, I promise.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
So back in February, I think, probably February, I blew the turbo to smithereens. And yeah, we had a drivetrain malfunction for a hot minute. But got on FCP Euro that same night, and I bought a stock turbo for the car, and I think I put it in that same weekend. Since then, the car has been running like perfect. And I also did get upgraded charge pipes from Keys Motorsports. As you guys can see, we got aluminum charge pipes for the hot and the cold side of the car. So that's another thing that is keeping the car intake air temperatures down a lot. And also with that front mount intercooler, it's helping out so much more. And you guys are gonna be asking like, oh, why would you slam your car in Massachusetts? Well, personally, one, I don't care. I really don't. The scraping, it sounds honestly fucking beautiful to me. That just means I'm doing something right. Honestly, it's not low enough in the front. Like, I need lower. The biggest thing about this car is I'm really just, not just building it, but I'm really building it to take it to GAT. I want this car 100% dialed in for GAT, and that means the most to me right now. The top hats on the struts still aren't maxed out yet because I daily drive this thing to work, and with these tires, I already got camber wear like a motherfucker in the back, so I need new tires. I really want to get camber arms for the rear, and I think I might need spacers in the rear. I really want that flush fitment from fender to lip, so that's one other thing that we have to dial in. If you guys haven't watched the last video on my build 7 months ago, it's practically the same. Actually, it's changed a lot, I'm not gonna lie. Like, this shit, it's a W build. Even though it's a 328i, fuck your life, I don't really care. I'm just strictly low and slow. That's the only thing I want in this life, is to be low and slow, okay? But basically, the intake is the same. It's a CTS intake. We actually, we did get rid of the Go Fast Bits diverter valve because that thing is a piece of shit. Do not buy it. It makes cool noises, but I promise you, I was driving that shit in the rain and it would suck up water, and like water in the engine is not good. So do not do that shit. That shit will blow your engine. It will blow your engine. At least on my car. I don't know. You guys might be good. I might be just a dumbass. I don't really know. We still have the MST turbo inlet. That shit's running strong. That's a W purchase. Go grab that shit. And I will put everything that I have into this car in the description down below. So go check that out if you really want anything on the car. Other than that, like I really can't put the wheels because I bought these shits for $850 with the tires off Marketplace. Me and my boy got this shit for a steal. I'm not even gonna lie. So, as I said earlier in the video, we changed the front end of the car a little bit more. I actually chromed the outside of the kidney grills, and I kept the dual slats in the middle. They come apart just like a puzzle. So, with the rims and everything else, I personally think that it ties the car in a lot better than just the all black. It kind of adds a little bit of separation between the car. And other than that, that's pretty much everything else that we did. As you guys can see, the whole look of the car changed completely with these rims. And I honestly, I couldn't be happier with how it came out. It looks appealing, and we've been to countless shows, and the only hate I get is, oh, it's a 328i. Like, die. Like, I don't give a fuck. Like, fuck you. So the other things that we did too are paint the calipers on the brakes blue, and it kind of ties in with the look that we have in the front end with the blue V brace covers. I'm just on the whole thing of taking the appearance and kind of matching it but breaking it up in most places, because I honestly think that's what looks best. I just kind of wanted a simple build, nothing tacky. I just wanted it looking appealing. And as you guys can see, I think I did a pretty damn good job with the build so far. I'm super happy with it. In 7 months, this car has come so far, and I've grown with this car for the past like 2.5 years, and it's just been nothing but pure fun and heartbreak, learning experience as the time goes on. Yo guys, do you guys think this guy's trying to aura farm me right now? But like now I just gotta keep up with the maintenance. I gotta do coil packs and spark plugs and stuff like that, like all the fun stuff that doesn't make the car go faster, it just makes it work better. But like other than that, this thing has been so good to me. I can't even lie. Like I daily drive this shit every single day. Like I put miles on this thing every single day, at least 50 a day. Like my ride to work is like 45 minutes every fucking day. And I drive this thing like downpipe, tune, slammed on the ground. Like I drive this shit everywhere. And it's just always been good to me. So can't really go wrong with this shit. If you guys want this shit, you go shop epitome.ri. Like, this shit is comp. Like, I don't have a fast car, but like, who doesn't love fast cars? I'll put that shit linked down below. It hasn't dropped yet, so this is like unreleased shit. So like, this is like unreleased Cardi right now. Like, it's just hard as fuck at all times. If you get this shit, you have like max aura. Like, I'm aura farming. I'm aura farming for Epitome brand right now. Go cop that shit. Like, you need it. So in the rear, we have -4 degrees of camber. I need a little bit more. Like I want like 10, -10. In the front, I'm just gonna max it out. So I really need those Megan Racing camber arms. So, and there really is like a lot more things that I really want to fix with the car. Like I want to get the front bumper repainted because like I said in the last video, I got this shit off Marketplace for $50. And under the headlight, the paint is peeling just a little bit. So it's giving me the ick. I just remembered that I'm not even showing you guys like one of the best parts about the fucking car. Like I did this shit all myself. Like you guys gotta see. I cook. We got 650 Starlights in this hoe. All right, why are you yelling at me? Shut up. Yeah, so I did the Starlight headliner. It came out mad fucking good, like, and the motor is inside of the roof, actually. It just fits, so if you guys want to do that, I'll also put the link for the Starlight kit in the description below, so you guys can make your car look like a Rolls Royce too. And this is probably going to be the end of the video, but like, I just want to apologize to everybody for going ghost for 7 months. I don't know what the fuck happened. I'm not going to lie. Like, I need to lock the fuck in. I'm going to try not to go ghost again for another 7 months. Please stay tuned. We're going to have more videos. We're going to go to so many car shows. And like I said in the video before, like, this shit is going to GAT either way. So we're going to get a GAT movie. A movie for GAT. And if you guys want to build your car to look like this, I'm gonna put everything in the description below. And if I missed anything, go back to my other video on how to build a sleeper 328i, because I got everything else that I have done to the car on that video, and it's in the description on that video, and how much everything costs. So drop a like, drop a sub, comment what I need to do better for these videos, because I'm new to this, not true to this. So yeah, y'all need to let me know. And comment down below what else you guys want to see with this car, because I'll do it. Except if you guys tell me to crash and burn it, then I'm just gonna tell you guys to go fuck yourself. I look cute as hell right now though. Like, tell me not. Like, the HUD's gonna love this. So I love you guys. Stay tuned. And,
Best
drive
TV.
safe.
We think comedy.
See you guys.
We think comedy, best TV. We think. Let too fast, we don't go off trust. Let too fast, we don't go off trust. G63 like G.I. Joe. Turn it up straight, so she say it's me. Pretty pink rocks and it get me going. G23, but I wanna be Kobe. Nah, probably cause I wanna be Wayne.